Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, today I am going to do chapter working with Windows 7. Do you know computer cannot work on its own? We have to give the instructions to the computer. So, with the help of operating systems, we give instruction to the computer. Operating system is the most important program in computer. It is the medium through which we can communicate with computer. It controls all the activities of the computer. So, various operating systems are Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Today in this chapter, children, we are going to talk about operating system, that is Windows 7. First, let me talk about Windows operating system. Windows operating system is graphical user interface, GUI. It is pronounced as GUI. Okay. Graphical user interface means with the help of pictures we can interact with computer. Okay. So there are various versions of Windows operating system. The first version was Windows 1.0. Then we have most popular Windows versions such as Windows 7, Windows 98, Windows Vista, Windows 2000, Windows XP, etc. And now the latest version of Windows operating system is Windows 10. Children, why Windows became so popular among us? Why this operating system Windows became so popular? Why we don't use any other operating system nowadays? Because of its certain features. Like Windows is attractive. Okay, Windows operating system is very attractive. Second is it is easy to use. Third is it supports multitasking. Let me explain you one by one all these features. Attractive means because of having pictures, it is easy to use and understandable. Like if we have a book without pictures, you will not like it at all. You feel only attractive when you see pictures in the book also. And easy to learn with the help of pictures. If I give you book or if a story in a book, or if I ask you to watch that same story on the TV, which one is more attractive? Obviously the TV one, where we have the visuals and it is attracting us. Okay, so first feature was attractive to use. Second is easy to use because of its pictures, because we have the icons and everything in the form of pictures, so it is easy to use. Fine. Then I am talking about multitasking. Multitasking means at the same time I can do various other tasks. Like I am talking to you, same time maybe I will be watching something else in my computer. Okay, so I am doing multitasking. We talk about how to start Windows. As soon as I open my computer, the first screen which I see on the computer is called desktop. It contains symbols of application softwares in the computer. These symbols are called, children, icons. Most important icons which we see on Windows operating system is computer and recycle bin. Let me talk about computer. Computer folder. We can access folders and files stored in the computer. It is useful to find, manage, move and copy the files. Recycle bin. Recycle bin stores, children, all the deleted files and folders of the computer. Means, if by mistake I have deleted any file in computer, it will first go to the recycle bin. From there, I can restore my files or folders. What is taskbar? Taskbar is the bar at the bottom of your screen. Towards its left side, you have the start button. It is the most important button on the taskbar that we usually use to see what all programs do we have in the computer. By clicking on any one of the program, we can access to that program. Towards the right side of the taskbar, we have notification area. On notification area, we can see calendar, clock, volume button and the icons of a few programs which usually run at the background of the computer, that is antivirus programs. Okay, children, this taskbar can be rotated on all the four sides of your computer. Means you can take this taskbar to the bottom, you can shift it to the right side of your screen, on the top of your screen, on the left side of your screen. In the center of the taskbar, we again have the space. In this space, we can see the applications which are currently in use, which we are using now. Fine. That is highlighted with a light color. This, whatever the application we are using, it is highlighted with the color. We can switch between the two active buttons. As I told you that we can do multitasking. Means if I am using two programs at the same time, I can switch it between the two conveniently by clicking on that active window. The difference between file and folder. A file is a collection of related information stored together. As we keep all important pages in our file, like for example, you are having computer pages also with you, you are having maths pages also with you, you are having science pages also with you. When you are keeping and segregating all these in different files, like for computer you have made a different file, for maths you have made a different file, for science you have made a different file, and you keep all those pages in that file. This means you are putting the related pages in that file. Okay, it means the related information stored together is called a file. And folder, when we keep all these files in a cabinet. Okay, when we are keeping all these files in a cabinet is called folder. Like for example, children, for class 4 you have made a folder, and in that folder you are keeping all the files like science, you are keeping computers, you are keeping maths, etc. means all the related files stored together in one place is called a folder. You can put a folder inside the folder also. It is called subfolder. Folder inside folder is called subfolder. I will tell you how to create a file in MS Word. Children, where do you find MS Word? You can go to the start button, click on it. You will find MS Word there. If you do not find, search for MS Office, because MS Word is a part of the MS Office software. Okay, when you find MS Office, you can simply search for MS Word and click on it. As soon as you click on it, blank page will open. Fine, you start typing on it, and then you need to save that file. You go to the File tab. From there, select Save As, or with the help of Save button also you can save that file. Go to the Save, click on it. It will ask the location where to save your file in the computer, as well as in the bottom it will ask for the file name. Write the file name of your choice, and then you have a save button at the right side. Click on it. Your file is saved. Okay, so like this you can create your own file. Now, how to create a folder? Children, there are two buttons on your mouse. Usually we work with left mouse button. Now, to create a folder, you have to press right side of the button. Okay, press the right side of the button on your desktop, anywhere on the desktop. You will find a shortcut menu there that will be containing so many options, and for the folder you have to click on new option. When you click on the new option, a new folder is created on the desktop. Okay, you can give the name of that new folder of your choice by clicking on it, and like this you can rename your folder. Open any file or the folder by taking your pointer, means a cursor pointer, on any of the file and folder and double click on it. That file or folder will be opened, and you can see the contents present in that file or folder. What is context menu? Children, when you click on an icon or the blank area of your desktop, you see a pop-up menu appears that is called context menu or shortcut menu. When you click on any icon, it will show you different options. That menu will show you different options, and if you click on any icon, that menu will show you different options. When we are clicking on the desktop blank area, it will show us the menu which has option personalization. It means you can personalize your screen. You can change the background of your computer. You can put the screensaver, etc. By clicking on any of the icon, you get different options for that icon or for that application. Just now we talked about shortcut menu. Now what is shortcut? A shortcut is an icon which provides easy and quick method to open any application or software which we frequently use. Okay, you can see a small jump arrow on the left side of the shortcut. By double clicking on the shortcut, you can easily access to that file or the folder. Now I am going to tell you how to create a shortcut for MS Word. Okay, so for this what you have to do is, children, you have to go to the start button. Fine, on start button you have to search for MS Word. Fine. When you right click on the MS Word, you will see again a menu. Here you have a different options. Click on send to option. When you click on send to option, you will again see another menu. In that menu, you will see desktop in bracket create shortcut. Okay, press on that option, then your shortcut of Word, MS Word is created on your desktop. Means now we do not have to go and search it on the start button. We can simply double click from the desktop and we can access to our MS Word. Okay, so that's all for this chapter. I hope you have understood the whole chapter. Fine, and for many more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel, observe and explore, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you. Have a nice day.